I have a Fitbit Ace here for kids. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So the first thing is you need to go ahead and download the Fitbit app on your phone. But the thing that I would recommend is if your kid has their own phone or their tablet, go ahead and install on there, okay? Because you can set it up on there because you can only use one device at a time, okay? Anyway, I'm just going to go use my phone here and show you guys how to set this up. But again, it's better if your kids can set it up themselves, okay? So go ahead and download the Fitbit app. Doesn't matter if you have an Android phone or an iPhone. Once you download it, the app here looks like this right here. Make sure you sign in or go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. So here's my Fitbit. Let's go ahead and open this up. And then from here, just go ahead and make sure that today is tapped down here. And then the top left-hand corner, there's like an avatar, a photo of an avatar there. Go ahead and tap on that. And then we want to go down to where it says set up a device. Okay, so let's tap on that. And now we want to look for the Ace 2, or it could be the, if you have the Ace 1, look for the just the Ace, but I have the Ace 2 here. For kids, let me go ahead and tap on that. And then, yeah, it says right here too, the Ace 2 can sync its data to only one phone or tablet. Okay, and it says, yeah, it says here, connect Ace 2 to your child's phone or tablet for the best experience, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna set up on this phone here. We're gonna tap on set up Ace right down here. Gotta read through this and then you gotta scroll all the way down and then you can go ahead and tap on I agree. Charge your Ace 2. Now, if you have more than 50%, you don't have to like use this, okay, the charger, but just in case, it's better just to go ahead and pop it on the charger. So from here is charging. Let's go ahead and tap on next. Searching for Ace 2. Okay, it found it. All right, right away it gave me a 4-digit code here. Mine is 1346. Give this a second here. It says connecting, just vibrate it right there. Okay, now we're at the protect your new device. You can buy this, or you can go not now and buy it later. I don't need this. I'm just going to click on not now. Then we get kind of like a status bar right here. Software update. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And it's doing a software update now. Now it's downloading right now. And this is probably going to take like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to leave this here for now. By the way, you want to keep your phone close to the watch, but you can also just leave this running here in the background. You can make phone calls or anything like that back on your phone, okay? So I can see the status bar here moving very, very slowly there. Okay, finally. That was about like 8 minutes. Now it's installing. And you can still see the status bar right there moving. Okay, finally. So this whole download install process took a good 10 minutes, okay? So as Ace 2 is updated, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue here. Okay, so we're pretty much done at this point. Okay, now you can just read through this. Is try it on. Is the moment your child's wrist has been waiting for. Fasten the device loosely enough. Just read through that. Click on next. Change out the band. How to change the band. Next. You can swipe up or down on here. You can swipe up or you can swipe down. You can tap on the icons when you're there. The press button to go back basically is this side button here, or you can press and hold to access the quick menu, which is right here. Click on next. Click on next. Safety information. Click on next. All set. Go ahead and tap on done, and then from here go ahead and tap on, and then from here click on OK, and then here's a premium 90-day free trial. You can proceed with that or not. Or you can just go ahead and cancel it out. You can get it later. I don't even need it. Anyway, there you go. We're up and running now. You can go ahead and take it off the charger and put this on your kid's wrist and rock and roll. Any questions or comments, just comment below, all right? Good luck.